Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But a very nice bounce in this one. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that spent quite a bit of this morning down around that area and has since now worked its way back up to that area of the chart. Now, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But my point here is that it did show some signs of strength, which leads into the more than valid question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true strength? Is there any sort of genuine power behind this price movement? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is right here at, let's see, $10.30. Why is that area important? Now, I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down to $7.30, behaves in that manner, then continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, I mean, no price can go straight down. So, I mean, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price does need to come down here a little bit, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you now all of a sudden have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. So that is why, again, that progress point being defined as $10.30. In the event the price continues to work its way back upwards, the overall looming level of resistance, which I know I've talked about in past videos, is all about that purple line right there. You can see this was a problem point over here. It was a problem point right there. So definitely one of those levels that you'll want to watch very closely. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.